Hello everyone, myself Pradna Yavatkar. I am from SYAIDS in ADCET. Today we are here for podcast on brief history of AI. Let's begin our podcast. So, content of podcast. So, objective of brief history of AI. So, first is to trace the evolution of artificial intelligence from its early philosophical roots to modern day applications. It focuses on how the concept of intelligent machine gradually transferred from abstract ideas into practical systems that now play an essential role in daily life. This helps in understanding how AI has developed over time through various stages of growth and innovations. So, second is to highlight key milestones in AI development, including significant inventions, research breakthroughs, and landmark events. Events such as the creation of the Turing test, the 1956 Dartmouth Conference, and the emergence of expert system, machine learning, and deep learning are explored to show how each stage contributed to today's advanced AI system. Third one is to understand the role of pioneers and researchers whose contribution shaped the foundation of AI. So, the understanding their work helps us appreciate how individual efforts combined to form the vast field from artificial intelligence. And fourth one is to examine the phases of AI through AI growth, such as early symbolic AI, expert system, machine learning, and deep learning. This objective how AI evolved from using simple rule based logic to complex networks capable of self learning and improvement. So, last one is to analyze the impact of AI historically in different fields such as science, industry, healthcare, and education. This objective also awareness of the ethical and social effects of AI, promoting its responsible and beneficial use for societies. So, introduction to brief history of AI. Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science that focuses on creating machines or software capable of performing tasks that normally require human intelligence. These tasks include learning, reasoning, problem solving, understanding language, recognizing patterns, and adapting to new situations. AI combines principles from various fields such as mathematics, computer programming, psychology, neuroscience, and engineering to design systems that can simulate concepts of human thinking. In 1950, Alan Turing fundamentally framed the computational concept that compressions and general reasoning could be mechanized. His famous question, Can machine think? And the introduction of the Turing test offered a groundbreaking operational benchmark for AI's capabilities. Less than a decade later, John McCarthy organized the historic 1956 Dartmouth Summer Research Project, coining the term artificial intelligence and catalyzing AI as an academic discipline. So the principle of brief history of AI. So first is perception, the ability of an agent system to sense and gather information from the environment. For example, sensors, vision, speech recognition. So second is reasoning, the capacity to process information, logically drawn conclusion and make decision based on knowledge. So example, an assistance inference schedule from calendar entries. Third is learning, improving performance and accuracy over time through experience, data, and feedback. Gets more accurate as it sees more emails. And problem solving using search, rules, and heuristic to find solutions for complex tasks. So example, pathfinding algorithm finds shortest route on a map. And the last one is adaptability and autonomy. The ability to adjust actions based on changing situation and operate independently without constant human interventions. So example, uh, temperature and adjust automatically. Importance of brief history of AI. So first is understanding evaluation. Helps us know how AI started and over time. Second is recognizing key milestone. Shows important achievements and inventions in AI journeys. Third is learning from challenges. Teaches what problems AI faced and how they were solved. And fourth one is connecting past with present. Helps link old ideas with today's modern AI. And last one is guiding futures research. Gives direction for future AI innovations and studies. Essential characteristic of brief history of AI. First is paradigm shifts over time. AI methods and ideas keep changing and improving. Second is interplay of theory, data, and computational resources. AI growth depends on theory, data, and computer power. Third one is narrow task success precedes broader applications. AI first succeeds in small tasks before reaching bigger goals. Fourth one is increasing complexity and hybridation. AI systems are becoming more advanced and mixed with different technologies. And fifth one is interdisciplinary foundations. AI concept many fields like math, psychology, and computer science. And last one is cycles of optimize and disappointment. AI history has periods of high excitement and how progress AI winters. Types of brief history of AI. So first is reactive machines. First generation AI. Basic AI that only reacts to situations. Second is limited memory AI. Second generation AI. Can uses past data to make better decisions. And third one is theory of mind AI. Future concept where AI understands human emotions and thinking. And fourth one is self-aware AI, most advanced stage where AI can understand itself. And last one is symbolic AI, rule-based systems uses logic and rules to make decision an early AI method. Features of brief history of AI. So first is agentic AI system. This system can make decision and take action automatically with little human help. Second is expansion of AI enterprises. AI is used in workplace to automate tasks and improve efficiency. Surge in global investment. Companies worldwide are investing heavily in AI. And last one is AI's rules in climate and health. AI helps solve global issues like climate modeling and healthcare improvement. Challenges of AI. So first is enhanced efficiency and automation. AI automates repetitive tasks, minimize human error, and boosts productivity. Second is advanced data analysis. AI processes and analyze large data sets to find hidden patterns and insights. 24/7 availability. AI can work continuously without fatigue, offering constant services and monitoring. And third one is cost reduction. Automation and predictive systems lower operational and maintenance costs. And last one is personalization. AI customize user experiences by analyzing preference and behavior, improving satisfaction and sales. Advantages of brief history of AI. So first is better understanding AI evaluation. Helps known how AI has grown. Second is learning for past mistakes. Avoids repeating old errors. Third one is appreciations of technological progress. Shows how technology has improved over time. And last one is improved decision making. Uses lessons from history to make smarter choice today. So application of brief history of AI. So first is expert system and rule based intelligence. Second is machine learning, deep learning and autonomous agents. And last one is the modern age generative AI agents and social integration. Resources of Resources of brief history of AI. So first is books on AI history. This explains how AI started and evolved over time. Second is research papers and journals. Scientists publish their discoveries and innovations in AI. Third is online educational website platform like YouTube teach about AI concept and tools. And last one is conference and seminars. Events where experts share new research, discuss AI ethics and future directions. Importance in AI. First is fundamental for understanding search algorithm. Helps in developing informed search like a search Grady. Third one is used in education, robotics, and pathfinding. And the last one is essential for AI agent design and evaluation. And the outcomes first is reflecting human intelligence. Second is automating complex or repetitive tasks. Third is augmenting human capabilities. Fourth one is advancing understanding of intelligence and transforming society through innovations. And overall conclusion of brief history of AI, artificial intelligence began formally at the Dartmouth workshop of 1956, marking the birth of AI as an academic field and launching early symbolic reasoning efforts. The fields experienced cycles of high expectation and setbacks, most notably the AI winters in the 1970s and late 1980s when funding and public interest went due to unmet predictions. Progress resumed with the development of backpropagation in the 1980s, enabling effective training of neural networks and clim- climbed in a breakthrough in 2012 with AlexNet's success initiating the deep learning revolution. And the references in brief history of AI. Thank you.